9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Welcome to Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. And the topic of the day is Solved Online, online business solution for money and tax. Money and tax. It's going to be a 20-minute show. Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on business solution through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, sustainability, and transparency in growth and protection. The motto Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. And also, we have some giveaways to be mentioned forward. So it's very good. This is, like I say, this episode is very good. Like I say, we provide solution documents, proof. We show demonstration, accuracy, and instruction. So these are the things that you should know. Like I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe for the means of trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers to start a online tutorial, webinar, seminar to help everyone to learn how to research like a barrister, solicitor, like a lawyer to get the result that you need for your business, your life, to help you grow and to help balance the economy. Yeah, so we're going to get into it straight. We've got 20 minutes, but we got a lot of stuff to get through. Today it's about money and tax. Very important because this is what we need to balance our society. And so I'm just going to bring up, like I say, the first thing that I always go to, and that is .gov.uk, only government source that we provide over here at Solved Online. So just going to bring up the first screen for everyone. Big up those that are passing through. Yeah, just like I say, leave your comments, share, like, and subscribe. That is the most important part of it, so that everyone can be able to, again, have a solution, through your thoughts. So one individual can help a lot of individuals to be able to get that solution, because you may be thinking what someone is saying, and that result would help you in the long run. So again, as you see, it's again .gov.uk, the place to find government service and information simpler, clearer, faster. So yeah, let me just make the screen bigger for everyone to see. Like I said, we're going through all the departments where it's all about business. Like I say, you are tied within this platform, one way or the other. Your life is involved, and as you know, money and tax, everyone pays this, mostly everyone. And like I say, you are involved, and mostly everyone needs this as a commodity to travel, do whatever it is that is a standard trade in society, and it's gonna be a big thing. So let me just send some link to my regular group that I go into before I go further, because like I said, this one is very important, very very informative to know, because you need to know about these things. Yeah, so let me just send out to the rest of the group that I usually go in. And like I say, that's the main reason to like, share, and subscribe, because like I say, we are getting to the masses very quickly, and this is the place to be able to see accountability, because like I say, everything that is presented is shown, as you can see clearly. You could go and research it clearly. Everything that is seen is sustainable, because like I say, this government forum has been around for years. Government service has always been around. And again, transparency. You could see every click that I make. Well, let me just share it to the rest. Every click that I make. And like I say, this is about money. And So there, what I mean, there is so much detail and solution to go into, and now I'm able to, like I say, get to those business minded individual. It could be beginners, it could be, you could be a entrepreneur, you could be an established billionaire, you could run a religious sect, whatever part of business there is. It's just that now, like I say, once you gain information, once you gain knowledge of research, you realize the application, could help those that are already in power, in rotation within the system. You understand? So this is the whole point, is to enable people to be able to, again, get to it even further, because this is all, at the end of the day, is to teach and to let every individual take care of their life in the proper business manner. So yeah, I think that's it for the moment. One more, got one more. Yeah, so we're gonna get into money and tax. So we're gonna click here and see, like I said, we have capital gains tax. We also have court claims, debt and bankruptcy, dealing with HMRC, income tax, inheritance tax, national insurance, self assessment, VAT. All of these things are so important, very, very important. Court claims, debt, like we all are subjected to this business. Bankruptcy, we all are subjected, we all deal with HMRC. We know these for sure. I'm just gonna jump over to the next screen just to show you again. Like you could see, you have HMRC, and what follows HMRC is the Her Majesty's Treasury. So let me just show you the investment that is within these departments. Even though they collect revenue, they still get investment, they still get funded. So I'm just gonna break it down and just go to the department just to show you, like, it's all inspiration. Again, just one more. Let's get over to, again, that department. Yeah, so as you can see the screen, let's make it, no, that should be big enough. All right, as you can see, look, HMRC. So this is, Her Majesty's Revenue and Custom. And you can see that, so it goes net resource authorized for current purpose. And it goes department expenditure, the departmental expenditure limit, and it's 187 million. And you can see, like, you just see the numbers there. These are all investment. When you talk about expenditure, annual managed expenditure, and it just shows you that, again, this type of department, they handle money, so they know how to deal with the accounts when things are negative. That means probably the balance that they would go into, and again, when it without negative, is that what they will be borrowing, or it could be the other way around. But also follow onto that, because they're all links. As you can see on the next page, we have Her Majesty's Treasury. So think about this: if Her Majesty's Treasury delivers the money to the government itself, and Her Majesty's Treasury is still getting money for its investment, so it's an expenditure, meaning that it's a budget that they have to spend. So where they're gonna spend money if they get the money? So as you can see, it's in the billions. So annual managed expenditure is 61 billion. That's crazy. Think about it. That is a lot of money just for them to manage. Crazy. But like, this is the thing that we talk about Unsolved Online. We show you, like I say, these departments, they are funded, and with the solutions that will be coming in the future, it's the same result, that will be given. Same result. So that's why it's good. Every different business, model that is out there, just, again, just tune in, just look at your interests, look at what you are invested in, get in contact, and like I said, there will be more, again, for future. be teaching everyone at all age understand how to do the research, because I'm going to be showing more and more throughout the time how the method is broken down. Because when it comes to legislation.gov.uk, you have to be able to, like I say, read it just like how the parliament read it, so you know exactly what is being put forward. Yeah, as you can see, look, it's all there. This document is called the Supply Appropriation Anticipation Adjustment Act 2020, and this is the most recent one that there is. All the dates are backed up, so there's one for the previous date, but today is the most present date. So now I'm gonna close that down, and then we're gonna get over to the place that is the place to be. That is again legislation.gov.uk. Very important, because this is where all of the solution come from. This is where for you to be able to see that those figures, this is where again that provision comes from. This is where that power comes from for them to be able to access all that revenue. Again, as you can see, is legislation.gov.uk. That's that place. Yeah, so this is what it is. So we're gonna check and see if there's any new legislation about. So go down, it goes legislation published recently, and you see, big up my brother from another mother, appreciate you, get me. Just tune in, and you'll see, like there's no stopping. I definitely got to the point where I want to, within my vision, within my my ability, everything is just so right. So it's just now, like I say, pushing out all of the solution for every single individual that is within business, that has a business mind, whatever it is that they will do within the future, or that they are doing within the group. Any little thing that is missing that could help move to the next level in that business, again, solved online, again, would have the solution, whether it's in legislation.gov.uk. Once it's in there, again, we'll be able to search it out and find that solution. So we're gonna click on that one. So it's today. As you can see, there's only one, and that is again Sentencing Pre-Consolidation Amendments Act 2020. Sentencing. So like I say, even the prison system, all of business. So solution for that. There's so much solutions. Like I say, it doesn't matter where you are. You could be in the streets. You could be in the big corporate building. Once you're on legislation.gov.uk, there's a solution to move from one end to the other, A to Z, or one to whatever number there you need to get to. Legislation.gov.uk has it. Big up. Yes, I think I have a comment. And again, my brother there passing through. Yeah, good knowledge is food for the brain. Love the food you're sharing out, big brother. Up righteousness, yes. Love always for passing through. Like I say, this is all about again sharing solution and knowing that there is solution always. That's why I say like, share, comment, and subscribe. Because the more it grows, the more again the solution can be spreaded. The more question that could be asked. Questions are good to ask on this show. That's why I say I welcome questions, and think about a show that welcome questions. That means it's definitely bound for solutions, and that is the most important. You have to, once you have a show that is welcoming questions, what could go wrong? Like I say, when you have legislation.gov.uk, you have gov.uk, like I say, the government sites that again back up accountability, back up sustainability, back up transparency. So like I say, solution is here all day for every single individual. So now we're gonna, like I say, continue with the presentation, the show, the demonstration. All right, so what is there? So we're gonna do 2 demonstration or 3, depends on the time, and then we just wanna hit on the nail. Again, 20 minutes. Let's see how much minutes we have left. Yeah, so we have a good amount of minutes. So all right, so we're gonna go to one moment. We're gonna go now back to, and let's see. Let's just pick out something. For instance, or we're gonna deal with inheritance. Inheritance, yeah. So I'm gonna put inheritance in that research. Let's see what comes up. See, because I already done. I just picked out, but I done know about this. This is something that we're gonna get into. Like, this is inheritance. What I mean, we're gonna get into this. Like I say, solution from all levels, and as you can see, there's inheritance, and that's our look at the date. This is primary legislation. As you can see, it shows you your title search for inheritance in primary and secondary legislation as return 85 result. Look, as you can see, this is how far it goes back to. And just to know that it's gone back this far, that means again, there is solutions. Yes, there is solutions. It also have, again, inheritance. So there is one, just to 1975 inheritance provision for family and, again, dependents. So this is very important, and we also have inheritance tax. So we're gonna break this down. Like, that's why I say, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Get more people. Make sure they know that there is solutions here. That there is, an individual, there's a company that is willing to answer questions within the law. Remember, the law is power. Again, because the law comes from the king, and the king is the word, and the king comes from righteousness. The one king. That's why everyone, you could see, if I type in one thing, one act, it will come up here. It will appear. It will appear. And these are acts that, stand strong even to this day. You know what I'm saying? To this day, it stands strong. So very important things. So let's just go into inheritance tax, 1984. So we're gonna go into that for a minute. One moment. Just wanted to, again, it's a bit odd, but I need to show everyone these things what I mean sometime when I show you that the law is real. Legislation.gov.uk is real, and we need to, again, appreciate what we have. Like I say, we need to get our eyes better. We need to know that the law is the truth, and we need to know how to get into it. So, like I say, look at the introductory text. So to get into this is crazy. To get into this, we will need to, like I say, go in a few lessons just on this alone. Like I say, there's a lot of, paragraphs. There's a lot of chapters. It goes, look, I just scrolling down, and it shows you estate on death. Like, so these are the things that we should, be learning about. You understand? All of the other learning that we're going through, it doesn't amount nothing to us. We should be learning about all of these things. It's very important, very vital, because at the end of the day, it's gonna happen. You know what I'm saying? And these said acts are still gonna be applied. And those that are learning these acts are still gonna apply it to us. And again, we're gonna end up in the same position. So just gonna give you another example. Just bring up something. So for instance, national insurance. So that's where it's just, as I'm saying, with so online, I don't have no doubt. That is my confidence. This is my playing field. Like I say, I don't mind challenging anyone in acts, in laws. Yeah, because this is my playing field. I was anointed on this one. So look, as you can see, and I typed it in, shows you Again, your title search for national insurance in primary and secondary legislation has returned more than 200 results. And primary, these are primary. That when it doesn't have the at the beginning, that means it's a primary. So national insurance contributions, terminations, awards, and sporting um testimonials Act 2019. Like I say, that's a present one. Also, national insurance contributions rate ceilings 2015. All of these things that we all need to, like I say, all be aware of this. So, like I say, Solved Online is spreading the awareness because it's all about money and tax. So, and again, national insurance is about money and tax. So, it's very important. As you can see, it's there. Let me just, like I say, do one more thing about tax. I'm just do another search on tax. So, for instance, I did inheritance tax, or even bankruptcy, for instance, because I've already done this last search just to show you that anything you want to type in, it will be there. As you can see, look, it shows you how far it's going back to as well. So that's where you know, again, for you to have so many different amendments, there is a solution within there. Because again, they amend it for their own purpose to make the solution harder to gain. Because there's going to be more applications to apply to. So look, the Bankruptcy Act 1914. That's a world war as well. If I'm right, or yeah. So or within the time, yeah. So like I say, it's all so there. Let me just open up, and this is our original Queen's printer version. So they don't have it, like I say, laid out. They haven't put it computerized it yet. They just laid it out. That's why it's very important when it's not computerized, meaning the text has been transferred, where you can click on it. That means again they withhold certain measures or certain actions just to make it a bit difficult. But it's okay. Solved Online has the solution as the research method to be able to again provide a solution on this matter. Yes, like I say, we have Manny Taylor. I appreciate passing through. Yeah, like I say, I got all my media. Check my box. So, for instance, anyone contact me, just check my box. It gives you all of my media. It gives you my Instagram. It gives you my Twitter. It gives you my my Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So you could contact me through all of that. Numbers is on there. So like I said, just contact me through there. Yeah. So again, appreciate for all the comments. Like that's the whole point. Keep coming. Again, so let me see what time it is. Yeah, so wow, gone past the time. So just gonna go into the giveaway that will be coming soon. And if, like I said, if you can find it yourself, do. I'm just promoting it. Just promoting all the solution that is available. So we're gonna click that down, and we're gonna open the next screen. So we're gonna go over to. Here we go. I don't know if anyone has seen this one, but yes. Again, this is, and I mean, this is nothing. This is not even 1%, not even 1.5, not even 1.01% of the things that, again, that will come to salute. It would that you will see so much things, and it's all solutions. It's all for every individual that is in different business areas. But we have to start somewhere. We have to show. We have to again display. So again, the students dictionary of Anglo-Saxon, Henry Sweet. So like I say, this is a dictionary. So we're studying history. Like I say, like I say, just comment, share, like, comment, share, and subscribe. You know, I want to be able to again affect as much people as possible, you know, within Solved Online. So to know that again, everyone is being, you know what I'm saying, given correct information, accurate information, you know, just so that's it for the day. Let me just go back to it. Like I say, Solved Online, the online business information solution service through legislation.gov.uk for all clients at all levels in all problems. Yes, the title of the day, Solved Online, online business solutions for money and tax. Yes, Solved Online YouTube platform is the report on past and present acts through legislation.gov.uk by reviewing and highlighting past and present acts. Remember, like, share, comment, and subscribe to help build a global online business solution system on accountability, transparency, and sustainability on growth and protection. The motto, Solved Online knows that there is no business like the king's business. Yes, give thanks and praise and appreciation. Yeah, and I'll see you on the next show. Like, yeah, it's also coming closer to, you know, getting into more and more and more. So it's like I say, it's an endless. It's here. It's here. Solutions is finally here. So tell a friend, tell everyone, tell the world. Solved Online got it. And this is a place where, like I say, you could come and ask questions. Very important. The most important part of it, you come and ask questions for anything that you have as a business idea or, you know, want as a solution. It's all here. Solved Online. Yes. Appreciate everything. Peace.